Hey, I'm not racing, bro.
Stop right now!
What is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV. Hope y'all enjoyed the last video. We have 66 miles until empty, and we're currently headed 200 miles. Why is this truck trying to speed past me? You think I'm gonna allow that? No, I'm not. Oh my goodness, I am the funniest person I know. I ain't gonna lie to you. Anyways, I need to be getting fuel, which I'm about to do in a second. I also need to chill, bro. 102 is crazy. 102 is kind of crazy. I could have made that cut, but I'm chilling. But yeah, I just want to update y'all. We are headed 200 miles away from home right now. So I'm vlogging it. How much is it gonna cost in gas? If I drive in Sport Plus, a lot. But if I calm down and go slow, it'd be all right. But look, we got a Tacoma back there, and we got a Hellcat back there too. But as y'all know, that ain't. Come on now, guys. F90, F90. I also got caught going 94 over here, so I'm probably about to slow down pretty soon because I ain't got time for these campers. Now, if they camping with the radar though, we'd be straight because it's like, oh, y'all got the radar on, I got a radar, we Gucci. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, man, we are headed to the fuel station, and yeah, we need to find one, and we need to find it quick. What if I did a pull to 160 right now? I would be in jail. I already know I'd be cooked, because boy, they not going for that today. I already saw somebody get arrested too on the highway. I'm not trying to be added to that. I'm good, I'm straight. And it was by GSP hot. It's Christmas Day, bro. Nobody trying to get arrested. He flashed his lights, so that could mean the cops are ahead. So I might need to break it down just a little bit. I think we'll be fine. Y'all think the cops ahead or no? I'm breaking it down. We're going 84. Oh! Oh! Hold on. I'm going to others. Oh! I hope they know the cops over there. Go ahead, guys. I'm gonna let y'all go. Dang, I hope my mans in the Tacoma don't get pulled over. Let them boys go. I want to leave the camera on so y'all can see what happened. I think he's sitting over the bridge. Oh, hold on. No, he might be driving. Where he at? He's beeping like crazy. Where is he? He gotta be driving this way. Let's see. No, it's just conservatively beeping. Oh yeah, we getting closer to him. Getting closer. There we go. He just pulled somebody over. He literally just pulled somebody over. Look at this. We got a cat. Got a little cat. Okay. Got a little bark to it. Stop. Oh, he gonna get pulled over. Oh, he gonna get... Oh, I hope they don't get him. No, I did not tell him to do that. Oh, I hope he don't get pulled over, bro. It just sounds good, but I hope he don't get pulled over. Hold on, let's see. Where the cops at? They gotta be right here because everybody getting over. Told you. Look at that. Got him. GSP too. GSP. Oh! No, hold on. Oh! 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 Hey, no, sir! Oh, fuck! Hey, that's why. Hey, I'm not racing, bro. Hey, I know how GSP get. Hey, I need a fair run, though. Hey, he got a flame tune on that motherfucker. Oh, my. Hey, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. Hey, that's funny as fuck, bro. Hey, he got a flame tune on that car. Hey, playing with Charlies are fun, bro. Hey, he trying to run it. He trying to run it. Should I run it? Let's run it real quick. Hey, this F90 ain't one to play with, bro. Hold on. Hey, this F90 ain't one to play with. Hold on, y'all. Oh. Hey, yo honk, yo honk. God damn! 40? All right. All right, look, y'all. On your honk. That was good. Oh, that was good, y'all. All right, y'all see I got 25 miles in the tank, right? So we're gonna put about, we're about to put 5 gallons at E85, and then we're gonna fill the rest up with premium, just so that way I can make this motherfucker stream, boy. All right, y'all. No idea where we are. You maxed it. No blinker until now. Way to go. Sheesh. Oh, turn lane only. This car's braking 500 miles back. Not sure why. I can't see nothing. I see what y'all mean y'all can't see nothing. I can't even see nothing. Now it makes sense. This is why I haven't been recording at nighttime. Because I actually can't see. For real. Why is this car on their brakes? This car pull. I'm surprised the M5 is even legal in the US. Like, I see why tunes and downpipes and all that be illegal now. It actually makes sense. Makes perfect sense. You boys be having you. Alright? Stop playing. Stop freaking playing, boy. My phone about to die. Yo, I can't see nothing. Should I drive my brights on? We drive with the brights on. I really can't. Alright, I don't want to be a butthole. But I see what y'all mean, that y'all can't see nothing. Cause I actually can't see nothing. Hold on. I don't know what y'all. I don't know, bro. I'm out of time. I mean, I'm on. Bro, why you taking a picture in that lamb? You don't own one. At one point, DDG, you did not own a lamb either, buddy. That's why I'm taking pictures in it. That's a good song though, I must admit. It is a good song. But that's why I'm taking pictures in it. I'm just answering the questions that I was asked. Why are you taking pictures in that lamb and you don't own one? Truth be told, because I want to take a picture in the lamb. I ain't got a own one to do it. Oh, look at this. Little Nissan, I want to keep speeding. Bro, the nighttime POV, it's cause the reason y'all can't see anything for real, bro, is cause how dark my tent is. If I really took off the tent and I just drove like fishbowl or something, y'all would love that. But I can't do that, bro. I don't like people to be able to see in the car. Oh no, I got behind slower cars. Everybody already going slow, but now I'm behind slower. All y'all braking for no reason. Yep. They sure are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's that brake free right there, baby. Brake free. This Taco Bell is open, bro. I'm probably, well, I'm clearly not the only person out, but probably the only person who wants Taco Bell on freaking Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Is it right here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bro, I need to get new back tires, y'all. Cause I like when I accelerate fast, I can feel how much the car is swaying. Buddy, are you serious right now? Oh yeah, buddy is serious right now. No need to brake, buddy. Just a corner. Not even a corner, just a little curve. Oh, he got these big old wheels on here. That makes so much more sense. That's why he can't drive it. I need to be driven. Why is this car on my bumper? To think, if the police try to get behind this, did y'all see how fast we just went from 60? Oh my goodness, bro. It just wouldn't even make sense to not pull over, because we will always pull over for the police. I got some highway in driving. I asked if y'all like the back roads or the highway, and a lot of y'all like the what's the name? The highway, but y'all like the back road too, so I don't know. Oh man. Oh brother. Why you want to get over? You dumb. He is built stupid. y'all. Probably going to end the video here. I know the videos have been short lately, but ain't too much going on, brother. What y'all want me to do? Y'all want me to make something out of nothing? Bro, I'm not Houdini, bro. I can't do that. The videos have been short, but the longer videos will return soon, because I'm not gonna leave y'all stanking, because tomorrow's Christmas and 25 days, and y'all thought, oh, he's just doing it for 25 days straight because of Vlogmas. No, we are doing it 100 days straight. 100 days straight, bro. 100 days straight. At least we're gonna try. I do need a little break, and I have a vacation coming up too. So with that being said, yeah, we gotta figure that one out for sure. For sure. Anyways, thank y'all for all the tremendous love and support that y'all have given me. I cannot be more grateful. And make sure you like the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.